It is brand new. AI website is paying people in the US just for rewriting content online. You don't need experience, a degree, or even followers to make this work. The best part is that you can do it from your phone or laptop in under 20 minutes a day. If you've been waiting for a simple 20-25 side hustle, this might be your new favorite income stream. First, I'll show you which AI website actually pays you for rewriting content. Then we'll walk through the exact steps to start earning money today. After that, I'll show you which platforms pay the most for rewritten text. Finally, I'll explain how to scale this into $80, $150 daily, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, where we test real online income methods that everyday Americans can use to make more money. Today's video is going to be extremely beginner-friendly and doesn't require technical skills. I'm going to break down the entire earning process in a way that is simple and actionable. So grab your phone or laptop, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money with AI rewriting, too. The website we're talking about today is an AI rewriting platform called Copii. It's designed to transform existing content into unique, high-quality versions within seconds. Companies, blogs, and digital marketers need rewritten content every single day. That's why there is such a massive demand for this side hustle in 2025. These businesses pay because original content ranks better, performs better, and avoids plagiarism issues. They don't have time to rewrite it themselves, so they outsource it to freelancers. This creates an opportunity for beginners to earn money from simple rewriting tasks. With AI tools, the work becomes even faster and easier. Moz. Beginners earn between $20 and $60 per rewrite, depending on the length. Intermediate freelancers consistently make $80 to $150 per day. Some high-end writers make even more because clients love fast delivery. You can start small and grow as your reputation builds. Go to Copii and create a free account using your email. You don't need a credit card or subscription to start rewriting. Once you log in, you'll see the Rewrite Content tool on the left side. This is the feature that will help you generate high-quality rewritten text instantly. You can find public articles, blog posts, or client-provided content that needs rewriting. Never copy paid or private content without permission. Many clients specifically send you texts that they want rewritten. Your job is simply to take their text and turn it into something new. Paste your text into the Rewrite Content box. Choose professional, casual, or friendly tone depending on what the client wants. The AI will instantly generate multiple rewritten versions. Pick the one that reads the best and make small manual edits if needed. Once the rewrite is complete, copy the text and send it to your client. Always include both the original and rewritten versions so they can compare. This makes you look professional and trustworthy. Clients love fast delivery, so this will help you get more orders. The best platforms for these rewriting jobs are Fiverr, Upwork, PeoplePerella, and Freelancer.com. These websites already have thousands of buyers looking for rewriting services. You just need to list yourself as a content rewriter or AI-assisted writer. Clients in the US often pay the highest rates. Create a simple gig titled, "I will rewrite your content into 100% original text using advanced AI tools." Add clear examples of rewritten work in your portfolio. Set beginner pricing at $10 to $20 for short rewrites to build early reviews. After a few orders, increase your price to $30, $50 per project. Clients pay more when your gig looks clean and professional. Use strong keywords like rewrite, SEO content, and plagiarism-free writing. Offer fast delivery because most people need urgent rewriting help. You'll notice your income increases as your reviews grow. This side hustle is trending in the United States because of the rise of AI automation. People want fast and affordable solutions instead of expensive writers. Rewriters are filling this gap with quick turnaround services. That's why your earning potential is growing every month. Rids. Once you get consistent orders, increase your prices slightly. Offer packages with larger word counts to boost your earnings. Provide one-day delivery for extra income. This simple system can easily reach $80, $150 per day for committed creators. Always proofread the rewritten content before delivering it. Use grammar tools to check for small mistakes. Be friendly and professional when messaging clients. Fast communication helps you stand out from other sellers. Vue can also sell rewritten articles to niche blogs or small businesses. Many want SEO-optimized content but can't afford full-time writers. Offer them rewritten versions of their older posts. This can turn into long-term monthly clients. Create your free AI account today. Set up your first gig on any freelance platform. Deliver your first job quickly, even if the pay is small. That first review helps unlock higher payments. AI writing is becoming one of the easiest side hustles for beginners in 2025. If you stay consistent, you can turn this into a steady income stream from home. Don't wait for the perfect moment because this trend is exploding right now. Subscribe for more real side hustle ideas that actually work in the US.